Goes on and explains about the difference between ceremonial defilement, defilement from tradition, and the difference between that and true defilement. He called, it says, the multitude to himself, and he says to them, "Hear me, everyone, and understand, there is nothing that enters a man from outside which can defile him. But the things which come out of him, those are the things which defile a man. If anyone has ears to hear, let him hear." Everybody knows teaching. It's not the things that you eat, that go down in your stomach that make you not right before God. It's what comes out of your heart that makes you not right before God. So Jesus' disciples, when they entered a house away from the crowd, they asked him concerning this parable. Jesus says to them in verse 18, "Are you thus without understanding also? Do you not perceive that whatever enters a man from outside cannot defile him? Because it does not enter the heart, but his stomach, and is eliminated, thus purifying all foods." He said, "What comes out of a man, that defiles a man. From within, out of the heart of men proceed evil thoughts, adulteries, fornications, murders, thefts, covetousness, wickedness, deceit, lewdness, an evil eye, blasphemy, pride, foolishness. All these things come from within and defile a man." The wise man had said in Proverbs chapter 4 and verse 23, "Keep your heart with all diligence, for out of it spring the issues of life." We need to make sure our heart is right. When our heart is right, and we know the will of God, and we let God's word into our heart, we'll be doing what is right then. That's what we need to concern ourselves with, making our hearts right with God, making them pure, making them filled with God's word, so that we may please Him. Jesus wants us to know that defilement comes from within. If we want to be pure, we have to get the inside right. It's not just a matter of doing a bunch of outward things. You got to get that inside right. You got to get your heart right.